HEB shoppers and savers, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time checking it out. We're at HEB today and there are so many grocery deals. I don't think there has ever been this many grocery deals in any given week at HEB, and I'm here for it. In addition to the incredible grocery deals, we also have some good personal care and household deals. So let's head inside and I'll show you all of the best deals that you can score this week. Okay, let's jump right into those grocery deals. For the first deal, you want to grab 15 of the Gerber food pouches priced at $1.38. And in the My HEB app, clip this unlimited $5 off 5 digital coupon. Since we are grabbing over $20 worth of participating baby items, you also want to clip this $5 off $20 basket coupon. Now, some regions got a $10 off $50 basket coupon, and I'll have an alternate scenario for that later on in the video. But the retail value for this scenario is $20.70, but after both coupons combine at the register, you'll be left to pay just 70 cents out of pocket for all 15 pouches. For the next deal, we have these bags of Mark's sweet and spicy barbecue tortilla chips. They're regular $2.68, but they're on sale for $1.34. In the My HEB app, we also have an unlimited digital coupon for $1 off, making each bag just 34 cents. Make sure you're checking the expiration date on these, as they were all expired at my store. Moving right along, we have the House Autry chicken fry mix. It is priced at $2.48, and you'll pay that out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $2 cash back, making your final net total for just 48 cents. The Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5. The Mateo's taco seasoning packets are priced at $5 for $5, so $1 each, and you want to grab 3. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this Combo Loco coupon. When you buy 2, you're going to get the third for free. That'll leave you to pay $2 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back when you buy 3. That brings your final net total down to $1.50 or 50 cents a pack. Also, as a quick reminder, if you are not currently saving with Ibotta or any of the other rebate apps featured in this video, I do have links for all of them down in the description below, and when you sign up for any or all of them, you will unlock a welcome bonus. For the next deal, you want to grab a can of Bush's Best Chili Beans priced at $1.82, as well as a can of Bush's Best Kidney, Black, Pinto, or Black Northern Beans priced at $1.28. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this Combo Loco coupon. When you buy the chili beans, you're going to get the other can of beans for free. That'll leave you to pay $1.82 out of pocket, but then you want to check your Fetch account to see if you have this offer for 400 points or 40 cents for each can. That's a total of 80 cents, making your final net total $1.02 or 51 cents a can. For the next deal, you want to grab 2 cans of Rockstar Energy drinks priced at $1.88, and in the My HEB app, clip this unlimited digital coupon for 50 cents off. With that coupon, you'll pay $2.76 at the register for both, but then you want to check your Fetch account to see if you have this offer for 1,000 points or $1 when you buy 2. That makes your final net total $1.76 for both, or 88 cents each. You'll want to grab 3 cans of Old El Paso refried beans for this next deal, priced at $1.88 each. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this Combo Loco coupon. When you buy 2 cans, you're going to get the third for free. In addition to the Combo Loco coupon, you also want to piggyback this $1 off 2 digital coupon. That coupon will apply to the 2 items that you are paying for. Once both coupons combine at the register, you're going to be left to pay $2.76 out of pocket for all 3, or 92 cents a can. For the next deal, you want to grab 1 jar of HEB Mi Tienda Mole that is regular $4.28, but on sale for $2.28. You also want to grab a 12-pack of these HEB corn and flour blend tortillas priced at $2.18. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this Combo Loco coupon. When you buy the jar of mole, you're going to get the tortillas for free. That makes your final out-of-pocket cost for both items $2.28 or $1.14 each. This 8-ounce bag of Lundberg jasmine rice is on sale for $3.69, down from $4.49. We also have a $2 off unlimited digital coupon in the My HEB app, which makes your out-of-pocket cost for 1 bag $1.69. We have a deal for Sargento string cheese, but it can only be done on the Smokehouse and Fiesta pepper varieties. These are priced at $4.94, and you want to grab 2 bags. You can mix and match, but you also want to clip this unlimited digital coupon found in the My HEB app to make 2 bags $8. You'll pay $8 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.75 back for each bag for a total of $3.50. You'll also want to check your Fetch account to see if you have this offer for 450 points or 45 cents for each one for a total of 900 points or 90 cents. After all offers, your final net total for both bags are $3.60 or $1.80 a bag. Another cheese deal that you can do is for the double cream brie cheese. Now you want to find one that is priced at $3.93 or higher. The product must be 6 ounces or more, which equates to $3.93 in order to use this $2 off unlimited digital coupon. Let's say you find one at exactly $3.93 and use that $2 off coupon. Your out-of-pocket cost is only $1.93. You can grab any variety of the Violife light cream cheese priced at $4.98 for this next deal. You'll pay the $4.98 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $3 back, making this $1.98. The Ibotta rebate has a limit of 2. Next up, you want to grab a 20-ounce bottle of the Hellman Squeeze mayonnaise priced at $5.98, and also a squeeze top bottle of the Frank's hot sauce priced at $3.98. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this Combo Loco coupon. When you buy the mayonnaise, you're going to get the hot sauce for free. In addition to the Combo Loco coupon, you also want to clip this $2 off coupon, which will apply to the Hellmann's mayonnaise since that is the item we are paying for. After both coupons combine at the register, you'll be left to pay $3.98 out of pocket for both, or $1.99 each. These bags of Brock's Conversation Hearts are priced at $4.28, and for this deal, you want to go ahead and grab 2. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited coupon that's going to make 2 bags $4. So that coupon will save you $4.56 on both, making each bag only $2. For the next deal, you want to grab 4 bags of Planters Duos priced at $4.48 each. Since we are grabbing over $15 worth of participating items, you also want to clip this $5 off $15 basket coupon found in the My HEB app. After that coupon, you'll pay $12.92 out of pocket, but then you want to take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 back for each bag for a total of $4. Now, there are multiple rebates on Ibotta for each variety, and each offer has a limit of 2. So you want to make sure that you grab no more than 2 bags of each variety to maximize your savings. Your final net total for all 4 bags after all offers is $8.92 or $2.23 a bag. The 13-ounce container of Melt Organic Butter Spread is priced at $5.98, and in the My HEB app, we have a $2 off unlimited digital coupon. You'll pay $3.98 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 cash back. That makes your final net total for one tub $2.48. Since the digital coupon is unlimited and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5, you can grab up to 5 tubs in a single transaction for that $2.48 net total. For the last grocery deal, you want to grab 2 of these Hormel Gathering snack trays priced at $7.98 each. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited $1.50 off digital coupon, which will apply to each snack tray totaling $3. Also, since we are grabbing over $15 worth of participating items, you also want to use this $5 off $15 basket coupon. Both digital coupons will combine at the register, leaving you to pay $7.96 out of pocket for both, or $3.98 each. Now let's move into our personal care and household deals. This deal that we did last week for the Airwick Essential Mist Diffuser just got even better. You can grab one of these for $9.98, and if you did not use that $6 off digital coupon from last week, go ahead and use it and pay $3.98 out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for an additional $6 cash back, making this free and a $2.02 moneymaker. Next, we have the Wet n Wild Satin Lipsticks. These are priced at $1 each. You want to grab 2. And then in the My HEB app, clip this unlimited digital coupon for $1 off of 2. With that coupon, you'll pay $1 out of pocket or just 50 cents each. Also, be on the lookout for any clearance varieties to make these even cheaper. The cans of Clairol Root Touch-Up Sprays are regular $9.97, but right now they're on sale for $5 each. You want to grab 2 cans so that you can use this coupon that's for $5 off of 2. With that coupon, you'll pay $5 out of pocket, but you also then want to check your Fetch account to see if you have this offer for 1,700 points or $1.70 for each one. That's a total of $3.40, making your final net total for both $1.60 or 80 cents each. These 5-ounce Old Spice bar soaps are priced at $2.97, and in the My HEB app, we have a $2 off digital coupon, making one of these just 97 cents. For the next deal, you want to grab 8 cans of Febreze Air Odor Eliminating Sprays priced at $3.19 each. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited digital coupon for $2 off of 2 cans. Since that digital coupon is unlimited, it will apply 4 times, taking off a total of $8. Here's an example of what your final cart should look like, and since we are grabbing over $25 worth of participating items, you also want to clip this $5 off $25 basket coupon. After all coupons piggyback at the register, you'll be left to pay $2.52 out of pocket or $1.56 a can. Alright, if your region received the $10 off $50 baby basket coupon, this deal's for you. First up, you want to grab a bag of the Pampers Cruisers 360 diapers priced at $9.97 and clip this $3 off digital coupon. Next, grab a bag of the Pampers Swaddler diapers priced at $9.97 and clip this $1.50 digital coupon. You also want to grab a box of these Pampers Free and Gentle wipes priced at $17.97 and clip this $3.50 digital coupon. Last but not least, you want to grab 10 of the Gerber food pouches priced at $1.38 and clip the unlimited $5 off 5 digital coupon. Here's an example of what your final cart should look like, and the retail value for all of your items is $51.71. So since you're grabbing over $50 worth of participating items, you also want to clip that $10 off $50 basket coupon. After all coupons combine at the register, your final out-of-pocket cost is $23.71. Here is a new Dove personal care scenario that you can do. You can grab one of the Dove hand washes priced at $3.97 and clip this $2 off digital coupon. A Dove body wash priced at $6.97 and clip this $2 off digital coupon. A bottle of Dove shampoo or conditioner priced at $4.98 and clip this $2 off digital coupon. A Dove deodorant priced at $6.97 and clip this $2 off digital coupon. And last but not least, a Dove Men Plus Care body wash priced at $7.12 and clip this $2 off digital coupon. Here's an example of what your final cart should look like, and since we are grabbing over $15 worth of participating Dove products, you also want to clip this unlimited $5 off $15 basket coupon. We're actually grabbing $30 worth of items, so that digital coupon will apply twice, taking off a total of $10. So after all digital coupons piggyback at the register, your final out-of-pocket cost for all of the items is $10.01. These 30-count packs of L'Oreal Paris Revitalift cleansing towelettes are priced at $5.98, and in the My HEB app, we have an unlimited digital coupon for $3 off. With that coupon, each pack is only $2.98. To close out our deals, you want to grab a Shea Moisture shampoo or conditioner on sale for $8.96. You also want to grab a Shea Moisture deodorant priced at $9.98, and then in the My HEB app, clip this unlimited combo logo coupon. When you buy the Shea Moisture shampoo and conditioner, you're going to get the deodorant for free. That makes your final net total for both items $8.96 or $4.48 each. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for this week's Best HEB Deals video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget too about the printable list down in the description below that you can print out and take to the store with you to make shopping these deals easy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, y'all.